Hello everyone. Welcome to Ocean Interaction, your hub for all things gaming and game development. Today, we're thrilled to offer you an exclusive glimpse into our upcoming series, Unreal Engine Variables. This series will be a deep dive into the world of Unreal Engine with a focus on exploration of its fundamental aspect, variables. Variables serve as the backbone of any programming and software development, providing the power to store crucial values. Throughout this tutorial series, we'll meticulously explore the different variable types available in Unreal Engine. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll cover, keeping in mind that this list may expand in the future. Integer, float, boolean, string, text, name, array, byte, vector, vector 2D, transform, rotator, enum, struct, set, maps. Expect multiple videos dedicated to each of the variable type, covering both Blueprint and C++ aspects. Please note that this list is subject to expansion based on the evolving needs and demands. If there's a specific variable type you'd like us to cover, please don't hesitate to comment below, and we'll make sure to include it in the series. Before we conclude, I'd like to make a humble request. Crafting these videos demands a significant amount of time and effort, from recording and editing to uploading and maintenance. As I provide all this content for free, your support is invaluable. By simply hitting the subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up, you can greatly assist us in this endeavor, no cost involved. Also, please explore the links in the description below to join our community on Discord, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Reddit. I'm actively available on Discord, eager to address any questions or engage in meaningful conversations with you. Thank you for watching this video. In our next installment, we'll delve into the basics of what a variable is, not just in Unreal Engine, but as a fundamental concept in programming. If you're following a playlist, keep watching, or you can easily find this video on my channel. Navigate to the What's in Unreal Engine playlist, and you'll have access to all videos related to variables. Once again, thank you for your viewership. See you in the next video. Goodbye.